Hey everyone, welcome back to English in Real Life. I'm Emma.
And I'm Matías. Hi, Emma. You look really happy today.
I am. I just booked my flight to Miami.
Oh, wow. Miami. That sounds amazing. Are you going on vacation?
Yes, finally. I needed a break from work and cold weather.
Good for you. I love Miami. Beaches, sunshine, palm trees. Perfect place for a vacation.
Exactly. What about you? Have you traveled recently?
Not lately, but I'd love to go somewhere warm too. Maybe I'll join you in Miami.
That would be fun. Okay, let's imagine we're both going on this trip together. We'll practice all the English we need for traveling and vacations.
Great idea. Let's go to Miami.
So, first things first, booking the flight. Do you usually book online?
Yes, always. I use airline websites or apps. It's faster and cheaper.
Same here. I like to compare prices using websites like Skyscanner or Google Flights.
Right, you can see which days are cheaper.
Exactly. So, we find a good deal. Let's say a direct flight from New York to Miami, 3 hours.
Perfect. Do we fly in the morning or at night?
Morning flights are better, less delay, and we can enjoy the afternoon at the beach.
True. And then we need a hotel, right?
Yep, I like to stay near the beach, maybe in South Beach.
Oh, I've seen pictures. It looks beautiful. White sand and turquoise water.
Yes, it's amazing. I found a small hotel with breakfast included.
Great. I'll book a room too.
Okay, now let's pack our bags. What do you usually take on vacation?
Swimwear, shorts, t-shirts, sunglasses, sunscreen.
Don't forget flip flops.
Of course. And maybe a hat.
And remember your charger. I always forget mine.
Me too. And what about documents?
Passport, ID, boarding pass, credit card.
Got it. I also take some snacks for the plane.
Good idea. Airplane food isn't always great.
True.
Okay, now we're at the airport. What's the first thing we do?
Check in.
Exactly. We go to the check-in counter or use a self-service machine.
So I say, hi, I'd like to check in for my flight to Miami.
Perfect. Then the airline staff might ask, do you have any bags to check?
Right. If I only have one small bag, I say, no, just carry on.
Nice. And after that, we go through security.
Yes, take off shoes, belt, laptop out of the bag.
The usual airport routine.
Then we wait at the gate for boarding.
Exactly. They'll say, now boarding passengers in Group A.
And we get on the plane.
Okay, now we're sitting on the plane. What do you usually do during a flight?
I listen to music or watch a movie.
Same. I also read sometimes.
Do you talk to the person next to you?
Sometimes, if they seem friendly.
Yeah, sometimes you just want to relax.
Right. And when the flight attendant comes, they usually ask, would you like something to drink?
I usually say, yes, water please.
Or can I have a coffee?
Exactly. Simple and polite.
Then they might serve snacks or a small meal.
Hopefully something good.
Okay, after 3 hours, we land in Miami.
Finally, sunshine and palm trees.
Yes. Now we have to go through baggage claim and immigration.
Right. So if they ask, what's the purpose of your visit, I can say, I'm here on vacation.
Perfect. That's exactly what they expect.
And if they ask how long I'll stay,
You can say, I'll be here for 1 week.
easy enough. Then we grab our luggage and go outside.
Yes, the Miami heat hits you immediately.
I can imagine.
So now we need to get to the hotel. Do you prefer a taxi, Uber, or bus?
Uber, usually. It's fast and comfortable.
Same. The driver might say, where to?
And I can answer, South Beach Hotel, please.
Perfect. During the ride, we can enjoy the view, palm trees, ocean, and Art Deco buildings.
I've seen pictures. It looks like a movie.
Yes, Miami has a very cinematic look.
And the music, I think you hear Spanish everywhere.
Oh, yes, lots of Latin culture, especially Cuban influence.
That's awesome. I'll feel at home.
Okay, we arrive at the hotel. What do we say at reception?
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Matías.
Perfect. The receptionist might ask for your ID and credit card.
Then they'll say, here's your room key. You're in room 304.
Exactly. And sometimes they tell you the breakfast hours.
Like, breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.?
That's right. Then you can say, thank you. Have a great day.
Easy and polite.
So we drop our bags, change clothes, and go to the beach.
Finally, this is the best part.
The sand is warm, the water is clear. Paradise.
I love swimming and playing beach volleyball.
Me too. And sometimes I just like to relax with a drink and music.
Yeah, same. What's your favorite beach drink?
Probably coconut water or lemonade.
I'd go for a cold soda or maybe a mojito.
Only one. Don't forget we still have to practice English.
Okay.
Okay, after the beach, we are starving. Time for dinner.
Yes, let's find a restaurant near the ocean.
The waiter says, good evening. Do you have a reservation?
No, but do you have a table for two?
Nice. Then they give us menus.
I'd probably order seafood, something like grilled shrimp,
Oh, I love shrimp. I'd order fish tacos.
and maybe a dessert later. Key lime pie.
Classic Miami dessert.
And then when the waiter brings the bill, I say, can I pay by card?
Exactly. Easy and polite. The next morning, we have breakfast at the hotel.
I love breakfast buffets. Eggs, fruit, toast, coffee,
Same. After that, maybe we take a walk around the city.
or rent bikes and ride along the beach.
That sounds perfect. Miami is great for biking.
Do you usually buy souvenirs when you travel?
Sometimes. I like postcards and magnets.
Me too. Easy to carry and good memories.
So, how was our Miami trip, Matías?
Amazing. I learned so many travel expressions.
Like what?
Check in, boarding pass, carry on, reservation, receipt, baggage claim, room key.
Perfect. All super useful for real life travel situations.
Yeah, I feel ready to travel in English now.
That's the goal. Real life English, step by step.
Thanks, Emma. That was fun.
Same here. Okay, everyone, that's all for today's episode of English in Real Life.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And next time, we'll go out to a restaurant, another real life English conversation.
See you then.
Bye, everyone.